make this creamy avocado dessert, we will first have to take a ripe avocado and cut it into 2 halves. Deseed it and scoop out the flesh from the pit and add it into a bowl. This recipe is very easy to make and can be prepared under 5 minutes and needs just 3 basic ingredients. The next step is to add a tablespoon of sugar into the bowl and roughly mash the avocado using a spoon. Avocados have an impressive nutritional value and are high in fiber and helps in digestion, weight loss, and reduction of blood level sugar spikes. Those suffering from poor digestion or constipation can benefit from eating avocados. Also, if you do prepare this recipe, please post a picture or video of it on Instagram and Facebook, and do not forget to tag my account. As you can now see, I have completed mashing the flesh and there are tiny chunks of avocado in it, and that is how it should be. The last step is to add around 2 tablespoons of chilled milk into the bowl and mix it well. That is how simple it is to prepare this delicious and creamy dessert. But its health benefits are numerous. It contains high levels of potassium and reduces the risk of heart attacks, high blood pressure, and kidney failure. Avocados contain more fat than any other fruit or vegetable. Also, be sure to keep this fruit away from your pets as they are poisonous to them. Your avocado dessert is now ready. You can enjoy it just like that, but it tastes better when it is chilled. You can click on the link above to watch my avocado milkshake video. See you in the next video. Bye bye and take care.